Okay, so on this first corner solve, this is probably the most strategic sequence that you're going to learn. And I'll show you the sequence, but I want to show you very quickly. The starting position, the positions at 2 and 5 are safe. They're not going to move. The 12 o'clock, 10 o'clock, and was it 7 o'clock? They're going to rotate counterclockwise, exchange for one position. So the one at 7 will go to 12, 12 will go to 10, 10 will go to 7, and they just rotate like this. So what you're trying to do ultimately is you want the starting position to have two of the two pieces that are safe to be aligned to their proper color, to be in the proper corner, whether they're facing up or not. Even though the greens are in the green side, they're not in the right corner, and in fact, none of them are really close. What I'm looking at here, once I run the sequence, because these are going to rotate this direction they're going to pivot around each other once, that will put the blues here, and they will be safe, and then I can move the blues over here and run the sequence again, however many times it takes to pivot these around to get all 5 in the right position. So this sequence is going to run its front clockwise 2, right away, front counter 2, left away, front clockwise 2, right towards, front counterclockwise 2, left towards. So what essentially it does, 2 o'clock and 5 o'clock are safe. The remaining ones pivot counterclockwise around each other one position. And in so doing, I have moved the blues into the right corners. Actually, they're not, but it's a simple move to get them down. So if I do this one again, I'll move this blue down. I can now move it. I'll run the sequence again, and it'll be here, which will be safe, and I'll move it over to a safe position to try to solve for the rest of them. Okay, so once again, the sequence, we're gonna run it. It's going to pivot the pieces at 12, 10, and 7 around each other counterclockwise. The pieces at 2 and 5 won't move. In this case, I'm going to start with the gray, yellow, pink in a safe corner because I want to move the gray, yellow, green, the gray, green, pink down one, and they're going to pivot this way. That will put the pinks into the both solved, well, not solved, but in the right corner, even though they're not facing up, and then I'll put them at 2 and 5 and solve for the rest. So the sequence again: front 2, right away, front counter 2, left away, front 2, right towards, front counter 2, left towards. So I've now pivoted these 3. I've got the pink in the, but both pinks are now solved. I rotate them to the safe position of 2 and 5, and then I run the sequence again, however many times it takes to get the remaining pieces configured correctly. And I would look to see if I have to do it again, and in fact now they're all in the right corners. So we've got side, getting them facing up, side, getting them aligned correctly. The first corner is getting the corners in the right corners, and then the next corner is going to be solving for to get the corner pieces all facing up, and then you're done.